Very good.
Namaskar, teachers and my all dear friends. Today I will speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat in a Hindu family. His father Karamchand Gandhi was Chief Minister of Porbandar. He is the greatest freedom fighter. He also called as father of the nation or Rashtrapita. He always wore a simple dhoti made from khadi. He believed in a simple living and high thinking. He started non-cooperation and non-violence movement from to gain freedom fighter British rule. Under his because British India become free on 15 August 1947. These great leader die on 13 January 1948. People from all the religious love and respect him. Jai Hind.
था फोर्थ एम का आरव. वेरी गुड बेटा, कीप इट अप.
Everyone, my name is Vedant Prajapati. Today I want to speak on Mahatma Gandhi. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869. He was lawyer by profession and practiced law in South Africa. In South Africa, he faced racism and was thrown out of train. This incident made him to think he should go back to India and protest against in India. He joined Indian National Congress. Gandhiji went against British rule like non-violence and non-cooperation. He was national leader and every Indian have a great respect for him. So they gave him the name Mahatma Gandhi. They gave him the name Mahatma Gandhi because they gave him the name Mahatma Gandhi because Mahatma means a great soul. Thank you.
Ansh, for
I studying that for that. My topic is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was great freedom fighter. He born on 2nd October 1869. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His parents' name was Karamchand Gandhi and Putlibai. When he was 13 years old, he was married with Karuta Gandhi. He believed on simple living and high thinking. He fought for non-violence. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rajput Risha Sudhir. Today I am going to speak about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. His father's name was Motilal Nehru and mother's name was Swarup Rani. Nehruji got a law degree from Cambridge University. Nehruji loved children very much and children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. He wrote the book The Discovery of India. Children's Day in India is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He passed away on 27th May 1964. Pandit Nehru is a person of great love for our country. Nehruji played a very important role for our country. Jai Hind. My name is Yashraj, Standard 4th M. Speech on Independence Day. Good morning, everyone, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am going to speak few words about Independence Day. At first I will tell you Happy Independence Day. We celebrate independence on 15 August. On that day our country got independence in 1947. We celebrate Independence Day because of because of thousands of freedom fighters who laid down their life to protect our country to British rule. It includes Mahatma Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose ji, Jawaharlal Nehru ji, and very more. Thank you. I hope you like my speech. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhruv Pratt. I am studying in 4th class. I am speak about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a great freedom fighter of India. He was born on 31st October 1875 in Gujarat. He is known as Iron Man of India. He is the first Home Minister of India. He was also a successful lawyer. He studied law in London and became a barrister. His father's name was Jawaharlal Patel and his mother's name was Aarti Devi. His full name was Sardar Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel. He played an important role for getting India free. He get the opportunity for the President of Indian National Congress in 1931. There is a statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in Gujarat is called as Statue of Unity. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel died on 15 December 1950. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Myself Aradha Singh from class 4th and today I am present here for saying few lines on Independence Day. 15th August is our Independence Day. We 1.4 billion Indian citizens celebrate this with a great pride. As after 200 years of British rule, we finally got freedom on 15th August 1947. It became possible because thousands of freedom fighters laid down their lives while fighting for our freedom. This includes Mahatma Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose ji, Bhagat Singh ji, and many more. We should always respect and remember our freedom fighters and celebrate Independence Day, keeping them in our memories. Jai Hind. Hey everyone, myself Megha Nagara from 4th step. I am going to tell you about Subhash Chandra, one of the greatest freedom fighter of India, Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was one of the greatest freedom fighter of India. He was born on 23 January 1897 at Cuttack, Odisha. He was popularly known as Netaji. His father's name was Janakinath Bose and his mother's name was Prabhavati Devi. He formed Azad Hind Fauj or National Army in 1942. He started the newspaper Swaraj. His famous slogan was "Tum mujhe खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा." He wrote a book about Indian struggle in 1942. He got Indian highest Kelvin Award, Bharat Ratna, in 1992 after his death. His death on 18 August 1945 in a plane crash. Thank you. My name is Jackie, studying in 4th. Mahatma Gandhi was born 2nd October 1869. Greatest freedom fighter. Hello everyone, good morning to respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to Jhansi Manishbhai Patel. I am studying 4th sem. Today I am going to speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is great freedom fighter. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also called Babu and the father of the nation. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putlibai Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi believed in simple living and high thinking. He was great follower of peace and non-violence. This great leader of country died on 30 January 1948. Mahatma Gandhi life is inspired to all of us. Thank you. Good morning to my dear friends and respective teachers. Today I am going. My name is Devyani Singh from grade 4th M and today I am singing a song from Hindi. ए मेरे वतन के लोगों अपनी आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तब तक वो लड़े जब जब बिछा दी, जब जो खून गिरा पर्वत पर वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी, वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद।
Very good.
My name is Jessica Vijay Kumar John Foden. Today my speech is one. The people who live in India are called the Indians. We should proud India are called the India Bharat Mata. Most of people live in villages. It is so beautiful. India has so many languages. Jai Hind. Good morning everyone. My name is Rudra Sharma from Standard 4. Today I will say about freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. Subhash Chandra Bose was a revolutionary Indian freedom fighter. He encouraged Indians to live in other countries to join the national movement, which led to the formation of the Indian National Army, where people from different religions and religion come and join the movement against the British rule. He encouraged women to participate and even an all women unit of the Azad Hind Fauj called the Rani Jhansi Regiment. In 1920, he joined the non-cooperation movement started by Mahatma Gandhi, who had made the Indian National Congress a powerful non-violent organization. In 1938, he was elected as the president of Indian National Congress. Jai Hind. My name is Himanshi. I study in 4th class. My topic is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14 November 1889 in Prayag. He played an important role in the Indian freedom struggle. He loved children so much and children family are called him Raja Nehru. He died on 27 May 1964. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Aruni. I am studying in 4th. My topic is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. He was born on 2 October in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is also called Bapu and Father of the Nation. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putlibai Gandhi. Gandhi's wife name was Kasturba Gandhi. He is completed his law study from London. He is my favorite freedom fighter. Thank you. Very good morning to my all respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to tell you about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi's father's name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putlibai. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter of India. Mahatma Gandhi is also called Father of the Nation. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter because he believed in satyagraha and non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi also called Bapu. We also call him lovingly Bapu. And at 2nd October we also celebrate Gandhi Jayanti to remember him. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Preksha. I study in 4th class. My topic is my song. मुन्ना राय हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। मुन्ना मुन्ना राय हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। रास्ते पे चलूंगा ना डर डर के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के, मंजिल से पहले न लूंगा कोई दम, आगे आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम। हम मुन्ना मुन्ना राय हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद। I am Sajidika Kagrawal. I study in 4th high. I am proud to be an Indian. I am going to sing Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Sujala, Sujala, Malaya Shitala, Shasya Shiyamala, Mataram. Vande Mataram, Shubhara, Jyotna, Pulaki Kayamini, Pulakusumita Madana Shubhini, Suhasini, Sumadura Bhashini, Sukhadaya Mataram, Vande Mataram. Friends, my name is Mishka. My topic is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi Mahatma Gandhi is great freedom fighter. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His name was Gandhi and his mother name was when he is here marriage with Kasturba Gandhi. I am 4th. My topic is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi born in 2 October in 1869.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vikesh Bhumihar. At 15 August, first I wish you all very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival of our India. Our India got independence in 15 August 1947. Our freedom fighters devoted their whole life for our independence. I feel proud to I am an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello everyone, good morning to everyone and my respected teachers. Today my topic is Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was great leader and freedom fighter. He was born in Punjab Sikh family on 28 September 1907. His other name is Shahid-e-Azam. His father name is Kishan Singh. His mother name is Vidyamati. He gave a very famous slogan of Inqilab Zindabad. He died on 23 March 1931, caused of hanging. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Gumawat for 5th term. And my respected teachers, good morning all of you. And my topic is independent only. That's the Independence Day, the national festival of India. That's why the 15 August we in 1974 that the
Dear friends, today I am going to tell about Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. In this day, we got our freedom from British rule. This day, we remember the great freedom fighters. Many institutions and organizations conduct ceremony for flag hosting in different parts of our country. It is a proud moment for our every Indian citizen. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Agra Agnihotri. I am studying in 5th M and my topic is song. The name of song is Ma Tujhe Salam. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. देख भैया तेरे जैसा बिना कोई नहीं मैं गया जाने बस तेरे साथ वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम देख भैया बस तेरी याद बस तेरे साथ भी तुझको अपना सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत जान है तो तेरा प्यारी माँ तुझे सलाम माँ तुझे सलाम ओ माँ तुझे सलाम माँ तुझे सलाम वंदे मातरम वंदे Vande